This is 1 inch. Do you want it 7/8 or 15/16 or?
I'll take 7/8.
Okay.
Just because I want to see how you do it. Perfect. Oh yeah.
That's your 7/8.
Oh, that's funny.
Do you want it a 16th or an 8th?
Yeah. Let's try an 8. That might be a little small.
But you throw that in a frying pan with eggs. It only takes just a few seconds on each side.
Oh yeah.
And you've got some venison.
All right, slice me a few of those then. Just throw them out, throw them right in the bag.
I'll kind of get the little.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
All together.